Hello everyone, this is Terry back with Terry's O-Gauge Trains with part 3 on the restoration of that Marx orange pacemaker caboose that I got last week. As you recall, in part 1 it was in pretty bad shape. Had a broken corner, part of one of the simulated trucks in the front had been melted slightly so the car wouldn't sit level, and then it would have kept derailing on the track. Also, in part 2, I showed you how I cleaned up the wheels and then blackened them with heat with a torch and oil. So now for part 3, I finished repainting it, and I thought I'd bring it out and give you the big reveal. So here we go. Over there, and there it is. I think this came out really, really nice, as you can see. I added a smokestack to it, and you can barely even tell that it was ever repaired. I also painted the steps black. I think overall, from what it was, this is a marked improvement. I also painted the simulated trucks black. So I'm happy with it. I'm really pleased the way this turned out. It just goes to show, just because something's junk when you get it, I mean, this thing was trash, doesn't mean it won't be after you're done. You can fix anything you find on eBay if you have the parts and you're willing to put a little bit of time into it. So that's what I wanted to show you. I'll conclude the video by letting you see it run. If you like this video and the series, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's run this thing. Duke boys look like they're getting ready to jump the train. I think they're going to need a taller ramp.